Hi again, it's Rita Wilkins, the Downsizing Designer. So you've made it through my 5-step journey of letting go of sentimental items. And today I just want to say thank you. Thank you for showing up for yourself, for your future, and also for your peace of mind. This video is my final check-in with you in this series, and I hope that it's a moment of reflection, a breath of fresh air, a pause, just to show you how far you've come. So whether you've completed all 5 steps or whether you're somewhere in the middle, please know this, you're exactly where you need to be. This is not a race, it's a deeply emotional and personal process. Some of you may have cleared out boxes of old photos, others may still be sitting with one difficult item that you just aren't sure what to do with next. And that's all okay. Progress is progress. And every time you say, I'm ready to live with less, you're already taking back a little more of your freedom. So I created this guide to help you lose the clutter, but not the memories, because our lives should be filled with joy, not with stuff. And they should be filled with meaning and not with guilt. So to celebrate the work that you've done and to help you keep going, I've put together a little gift just for you. It's a free decluttering checklist. You can click here to get it. It's simple, clear, and easy to follow. Use it as a gentle guide the next time that you open a drawer, a box, or even a bin full of keepsakes. It includes questions to ask yourself, suggestions for how to honor those items without keeping them, and tips to help you let go with confidence and also with peace. So this checklist is my way of saying, you've got this and you're not alone. So before we wrap up, I just want you to ask yourself, what has shifted in your heart and your home during this journey? And what's one small step that you can take next week to continue simplifying your life? And if you ever feel stuck again, come back to these videos, revisit the steps, give yourself permission to pause and begin again. This journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning of living more with less. So thank you for letting me be part of your journey. I truly mean that. And thank you for showing up for your life that you want to create, one with less clutter, fewer regrets, and more space for what really matters. I hope this checklist supports you, and I hope we stay connected. I'll see you soon.